And once my account has now been created, let's deal with the deals view and highlighting the pipeline. So here you see your pipeline, the customizable to your specific sales process. By default, you will find stages like the lead in. Let's close this. You have, for example, the contact made, you have the proposal presented, and so on and on. Negotiation started, whatever. So basically here, the real power of the pipeline lies in its flexibility, because to customize your pipeline, simply just click into the pipeline lane and select to edit the pipeline. Or just type here and import the data. If you wanted to, you can just create different pipelines. For sure, I can do it in leads, and I create my first lead. For example, I can add a contact person. Here I can add organization's title, the value, the label, the person, and create my deal. Now, you can add new stages. You can rename existing ones and rearrange them to perfectly mirror your sales journey. This granular control ensures Pipedrive adapts to your workflow, not the other way around. I'm going to create a new deal for you. Let's go for deals plus, and let's do this in a very easy way. So you'll be prompted to enter sensitive information such as the deal title, the organization, the person, the value, and expected close date. Now you can import, for example, the new contact person. Let's go for Tom Hanks, and here add it as a new contact because this is the first time we have added this one, organization. So let's go for Tom's Inc. And once again, this is a new organization. Now let's bring the value. Now here into the pipeline stage, we do have qualified, contact made, demo scheduled, proposal, and negotiation started. If you wanted to add a new pipeline, you can do it back directly into the editor. But here, this one actually works for us. I'm going to add this new label and expected close date should be by the end of the month. Let's go for the source channel. In my case, should be a live chat and the source channel ID. And there we go. We can add the phone and the email if you wanted to. Now that I hit here into saved, it should be appearing now. My deal already been added here. So here it is. Now, once created, you'll be taken to the deal detailed view. Here you can add activities, notes, and files, keeping all relevant information in just one place. Activities are the lifeblood of your sales process. So we can click into add a new activity, or to even import more data into the upper side. Go for import data, and you can import deals for the deal value, the person. Here's, for example, like the import guide if you wanted to import from somewhere else. We can add more leads, organizations, people, and activities if you wanted to. Now, the Pipedrive activities tracking ensures you stay on top of the follow-ups. You can also integrate your calendar and add email syncs to activities and contacts seamlessly. Everything should be done directly in here. As you can see, we have it done every time you finish with something, and you hit now into save. Now, let's explore the context and the organization. Here you can manage your customer databases, adding new contacts in an organization and link them into deals. The Pipedrive allows you to import contacts from various sources, making it easier to migrate your existing data. So the segmenting your contacts based on various criteria such as the industry, the location, or deal stage enables targeted communication and personalized outreach. Next, the insights. Now the insights are, for example, feature provide valuable data to track your sales performance. So we can navigate here for the Start to Access dashboard and reports. You can generate more reports and create new different type of dashboards and identify growth opportunities. We can analyze all of these reports, allows you to identify bottlenecks in your sales process, optimize your strategies, and even make data-driven decisions. So the Pipedrive also offers powerful automation capabilities and different product elements. So by setting up the workflows, you can automate repetitive tasks such as the sending follow-up emails and updating deals stages. These automations save time and ensure consistency into your sales process. Now, these integrations with for example, more marketplace elements, or we can do this into our phone, into our mobile applications. These integrations enhances productivity and streamlines your workflow, such as the Google Meet, for example. You know how to use Zapier, maybe you know the Panda Duct and the Store. Here what you can do, for example, is to attract new leads with LinkedIn, which is really awesome. So these applications are really great for CRM from anywhere, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. In conclusion, the Pipedrive is a robust and intuitive CRM platform that can significantly enhance your sales process. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Express for more depth software tutorials and tech insights. This was just like a quick view of how the Pipedrive works. If you wanted to talk about something specific here and into the application, you can let us know into the comments below.